is if making that more efficient, more economical for industry and earth is what we say, right? And that's the goal. Speaking with the different the plastics manufacturers, not manufacturers of plastic products, but the manufacturers of the actual resins that people are going to make products from. Some of one of our biggest and earliest clients is one of those, one of the largest in the country. And I can't say the name now because we're signing contracts. But what the discussion was listen, the industry is going towards this, not how can I get a virgin plastic that can do this type of activity in order to make this type of product. It is what type of products can I make out of the recycled plastics that are already there? That's the shift that's happening right now in the plastics industry that people don't understand. This is huge. And by banning certain types of plastics, et cetera, can actually harm that effort because you don't have the raw materials. It's not the plastics that's the devil, it's the irresponsible use. But it's that shift in thinking of, okay, wait a minute, not what can I design as a new chemical to do this, but what can I do new with the chemicals that already exist, right? Are you seeing that in other locations as well, or verticals? I mean, it's
Ooh,
like
plastic's
Renault, right?
really unique in that way because there are so many different types of plastics
Sure.
and so forth. So I think plastic's fairly unique. But what I am seeing is a shift and a recognition towards more what I would call urban mining. During the pandemic, I had put out, it's recorded somewhere, that I'd said, look, in 50 years or less, we'll be Wall-E-ing the planet and mining landfill because there's a whole bunch of really valuable materials that are nearly perfectly preserved